So in this video, it's going to be another talkative chit-chatty one. It's going to be a review on the Karity 21 Matte Colorful Palette. Karity just sent me some stuff in the mail. They sent me 4 brow products and this colorful rainbow 21 color eyeshadow palette, and I cannot wait to try it out. I really want to try out this colorful palette. So yeah, let's just get into it before I start rambling, and this video is going to end up being like 5 hours long. Before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you never miss out on any future videos of mine. I am trying to get to 500 subscribers. I did just recently hit 450. I've been growing pretty fast than usual lately. I think it's because of my 2 videos that just recently hit 1K views. Those are my first 2 videos to ever hit 1,000 views on YouTube. I never ever in my history of being a YouTuber was able to reach over 1,000 views on a video. But yes, I am trying to get 500 subscribers by the end of this month. So go ahead and subscribe if you like my face. Like, I don't know. Just subscribe. Support your girl. But anyways, let's just get into this video, and yeah, let me stop my rambling. Alright, so let me show you guys the palette. So this is what it came in. It came in like this bubble wrap, and this is like the little logo of the sticker to seal it. Let me just open it up and show you guys. Whoop. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. It's just a black matte cardboard packaging with a blue splatter of paint that says the word matte in it, and it has the logo right there. And on the back of the palette, it shows you like all the colors that you will be getting before you open the palette. And it also has a paragraph that tells you like what you're gonna expect in the palette. So let me just read to you what it says. Create flawless eyes with 21 highly pigmented and blendable matte shadows. Create countless looks with a wide range of shades. They can be applied with an eyeshadow brush or foam tip applicators. Used wet or dry. Combined with our frost and smoke palettes to achieve the ultimate perfection. And then it also has it in French if you speak French, so there you go. And it also has the ingredients right below that. Then right over here it tells you all the shades and their names. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys that once I open this up. So let me open it up right now. When you open it up, it's pretty much just the same exact packaging as it is in the cardboard. So let me just show you the inside. So when you open up the inside, oh, that's so pretty on the camera. It has this like plastic thing that protects the colors from getting damaged. So let me just rip that off. So these are the colors right here. And it's like just perfect rainbow colors. The pans are it's a very decent size. I really do like the pan size. And you can create a lot of looks with these. You've probably already seen it when I posted like about it in my Instagram story. If you follow me on Instagram, by the way, follow my Instagram. It's at Beauty by Jolie with 2 E's. I'll put it like right here so you can see. I cannot wait to dig into this palette. Like, look at all the colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, I don't know, what should I do? Should I swatch or should I do the eye look first? Alright, I decided that I actually want to swatch the colors first before I get into the eye look. So let's just go ahead and swatch. I'm going to play some music and I'm just going to do a speed through of some swatches on my wrist or right here, I don't know. But let's just get into the swatches. Somewhere with my people, we can kick it and just listen to some music with the message. And we'll discuss our big dreams, how we plan to take over the planet. So pardon my manners, I hope you'll understand that I'll be here. Not there in the kitchen with the girl who's always gossiping about her friends. Oh, tell them I'll be here. Right next to the boy who's throwing up cause he can't take what's in his cup no more. Oh God, why am I here? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh yeah, oh yeah, and I can't wait so we can break apart the Alright, so I'm gonna start off with my brows. I did go to Ulta today. I'm finally gonna try something new with my brows. I'm gonna try the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Ebony. And I'm just gonna see if pomades work for me. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like, it reminds me of gel eyeliner. But before we get started, I am gonna go ahead and take the, I also bought this too at Ulta. It was on sale for like $1.50. It was originally $3, but I got it on sale. This is like a brow brush, so it's double-sided. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush my brows with the spoolie to prepare my brows to be filled in. Then I'm gonna fill them in. This is my first time ever using a pomade, so wish me luck. Hopefully I do good. I mean, I don't see why I wouldn't. All you do is just fill them in like normal, but I'm gonna try it and see how I like it. I like it, to be honest. I'm creating like brow-like strokes, hair-like strokes, that's the word. I really like that. Wow. I'm gonna do my other brow off camera since this is kind of dedicated to the eyeshadow palette, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I did my other brow off camera. As you can see, I concealed them as well. I think I found myself a new brow product. Like, goodbye NYX brow pencil, hello Anastasia dip brow. Like, I really like how my brows turned out. I really do. They look so, like, I'm not gonna say they look natural because obviously they look hella filled in, but they look, I don't know how to explain it. It just really looks good. But anyways, this is not about the brows. This is about the eyeshadow palette. So I'm about to get on with the eyeshadow palette and do on my eyes. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain. I chose this primer because since it's going to be a nice colorful look, I wanted it to be nice and bright so I can have a nice base to have the colorful look with. Just gonna blend that out with my beauty sponge. Alright, I'm back and I feel like my primer has set into my eyes good enough, so I am gonna go ahead and start off with my first shade. I'm gonna take the shade Cancun and pop that into my crease for my first transition. Just gonna pack it on the eyes first. That is beautiful, guys. And I'm not just saying that because Karity sent me makeup. I'm saying that because, in my opinion, I truly believe that this shadow is beautiful. Alright, next for a second transition, I'm going to take the shade Ego and pop that into my crease for a second transition. Taking the first shade that I applied for my transition and applying that right there so that it can just have a more seamless blend. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Disturbia from the palette and pop that into my crease for a third and final transition color. Alright guys, I know this is looking a little bit crazy, but we are going to go ahead and cut the crease. Trust me, once we cut the crease, all this is just going to be gone. Like, it's not going to look as wild. Like, it's not going to look like I have a giant black eye and somebody punched me in the face 10 times. Trust me, trust me, trust me. So I'm taking the same concealer, the Porcelain, and I'm just going to start cutting my crease. And the trick is to look up, right, and left. And that creates a perfect guideline to cut your crease. So I'm back and I did my other eye off camera, so we are going to start filling in the lid. I'm going to be taking the shade Caress and I'm just going to pop that into the inner part of my eyelid. That's gorgeous. That is hella gorgeous. I mean, I had to pack it on a lot to get it to show up, but I really think that that is really pretty. Alright, now I'm done with that. I'm going to be taking the shade Feign, and I'm just going to pop that right next to the white. Since I'm done with that, I'm going to go back into the black shade and just smoke out the outer corner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I got a new one because the other ones I have ran out. I think they changed their packaging. Now it looks like this. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. I am gonna do a smoked out liner. I was inspired by Taylor Made Jane to do a smoked out liner. I've already done something like this before, but I was inspired by her to want to do this. You just start small and then gradually get bigger. I did my other smoked out liner off camera. So since I am done with the lids, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup off camera. I asked you guys if you wanted to see more of me do my face makeup in my videos, but due to the fact that this is basically mainly on the eyes, I am going to save my face makeup for another video. I promise I will start featuring me doing my face makeup in my videos, but just because this is mainly on an eyeshadow palette, I want to save time and do my face makeup off camera. Trust me though, in my next video you'll see me do my face makeup, but for this one I'm just going to do it off camera, and I'll be right back in a snap of the finger. And guys, this is my freaking face makeup. I feel like I did a really good job on my face makeup today. I contoured my nose for once. My nose is looking snatched. I mean, I don't know about all that snatched, but it's looking thinner than normal, and I'm glowing. I'm glowing on my forehead, my nose, my freaking cheekbones. I feel like I did a really good job on my face makeup, so props to me. Anyways, we are not done with the eyeshadow. I still have to do my lower lash line and my inner corner, and I might just do some eyeshadow on my waterline, but yes, so let's move on. For the lower lash line, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Since I kind of want it to match, I mean, it's not necessarily matching my headband, but I want the colors to be inspired by the headband, so I might take a nice bluish green shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Wicked, and I'm just going to pop that to my lower lash line just for a pop of green. This is going to be a multiple toned lower lash line, so I'm going to take the shade Medusa and pop that right next to the green shade. And after that, I'm just going to apply that same black shade that's in the palette right next to that lower lash line color. For inner corners, I am just going to take this palette right here. This is the Tartelette and Bloom palette, and I'm just going to take the shade Funny Girl and pop that into my inner corners. One last step for these freaking eyes. This is just a plain white basic eye pencil. I just got it today, and I'm just going to pop that into my waterline. Honestly, I felt like that hardly did anything. That it lightened up my waterline a little bit, but I don't know. I feel like it didn't really do anything. Alright guys, I decided that I am going to take the shade Lumbia, and I'm going to pack that into my waterline with just the eyeshadow so it can create a nice bright waterline color. I'm just trying to include as many colors in the palette as possible so I can show you guys the color payoff and stuff. But wish me luck on this. Crap, I just put eyeshadow in my eye. Oops. Alrighty, so we are officially done with the eyes. Next up is the lips. So for lips, I am going to be taking, hold up, I don't even have it. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and take Colourpop's Pitch Lip Pencil, and I'm just going to line my lips with that. I need to I don't know, for some reason this one always acts up, but it's my favorite one, so. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill that in with the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Corset. This is also something new that I bought today at Ulta, so I just really wanted to try it out because a lot of women of color be using this nude lip, and I want to try it out for myself, so I'm going to go ahead and try it. And then for lashes, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Ardell Double Up Lashes, and these are in the style. These are the Double Demi W lashes. Alright guys, so that is the end of the makeup tutorial. I did really like this palette. I honestly, as you can see by all the colors I put onto my eyes, they all blended well. Some of them, honestly, some of them did take some time to pack on and blend. So I had to like keep packing them on, but at least the colors showed up enough for me to be able to blend them. They blended flawlessly. I really do like the shades in this palette. It is very colorful, perfect for either every day or a nice night out, a dramatic look. They do have some neutral colors in there as well as colorful colors. Obviously, as you can see by my face, I did go for a colorful look because I didn't want to be boring. I'm a colorful person. I didn't want to be boring, so I did a colorful look. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed the way I did this look. If I were to rate this palette, I would give it a good maybe a 9 out of 10 because in the beginning when I was doing my transition colors, I did have some trouble packing on that purple shade. For some reason, it just was not blending well until I had to like pack it on for like the 5th time. But other than that, everything else was tremendous. I did really enjoy putting a look together with this palette. So I like to give a huge shout out to Karity Cosmetics for sending me these products to try out. They also sent me some brow products to try out, but I'll probably feature that in another video. I did really want to dedicate this video to the eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much, Karity, for sending me this product in PR. I really do appreciate it. Cannot thank you enough. I am so grateful to be able to promote your brand and review your products. Anyways, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I am now trying to get 500 subscribers by the end of June. Right now, I am at 497, so I highly doubt that I won't make it. Like, I have 3 more subscribers. I've been growing really fast recently and I really appreciate it, and I think people are starting to notice me more, so I really am, I don't know, I am just really grateful. Let's just get 500 subscribers. I know we can do it. I have 3 more left, and probably by the time I post this video, I'll probably already have made it. But let's get 500 freaking subscribers. If you're new here and you enjoy looking at my face and you enjoy watching me ramble and stuff and you just enjoy watching me do my makeup, just subscribe to my channel. It's highly appreciated. I love any type of support. Also leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Leave some suggestions in the comments below as well. I'll be sure to get back to those suggestions and make some videos regarding those suggestions. What else? What else? Guess what? This is my natural hair. I never feature my natural hair in my videos ever. This is my very first time having completely natural, non-straightened hair. This is all my real hair. And yeah, it's all in a big poof ball. Let me know if I should start wearing my hair natural. I think I'm gonna like start wearing my hair natural more because I do kind of like it. It's really cute. Anyways, let me stop rambling and end this freaking video because I know you guys are tired. You probably done quit the video already. But again, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment down below. That is all I have to say. Have a blessed freaking day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace out. I'm gonna try the Anastasia. Anastasia? What is wrong with me? Let me open this real quick. Come out wherever you are.